In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses as billable and invoice them to your customer in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks Online provides a streamlined process to handle your expenses and ensure you're correctly recouping costs from your clients. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and log into your QuickBooks account. Being logged into your account allows you to access the various features we'll be using today. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. From here, you need to click on the Account and Settings option. This is your control center, where you'll find all the settings related to your QuickBooks account and customize them to fit your business needs. Next, in the Account and Settings menu, locate and click on the Expenses tab. This area is dedicated to everything related to your expenses, and it's where you'll perform much of the setup needed for marking expenses as billable. Inside the Expenses section, you'll see an option for Bills and Expenses. Click on this section to open it. Here you'll manage how expenses are tracked and billed to your customers. This section is essential for ensuring that any operational costs incurred on a project or client behalf are captured and can be invoiced later. While you're here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options. You'll want to ensure settings are aligned with your business operations. For instance, make sure the option to Track Expenses and Items by Customer is turned on. It lets you assign expenses directly to customers, preparing them to be invoiced later. Following this, click on the Purchase Orders section, also found within the Expenses area. Purchase orders are particularly useful in helping you track how much you've agreed to pay for goods or services. This helps maintain a clear record of what will eventually impact your business's expenses. Finally, navigate to the Bill Pay section. Here you can manage how your bills are paid, integrate with other payment services if necessary, and make sure everything correlates with your incoming and outgoing expenses. It's paramount that this section aligns with your company's billing practices to avoid any discrepancies. By following these steps, you set the groundwork within QuickBooks Online to handle your expenses efficiently. With your settings configured correctly, you can start marking relevant expenses as billable to easily invoice clients. Remember, frugal financial practices support a healthy bottom line and ensure your business's long-term success. And there you have it. You're now ready to take advantage of QuickBooks Online's robust features for marking expenses as billable. If you have any questions or need further help with QuickBooks, feel free to explore more of our guides and videos. Happy accounting!